Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna talk about um, NY state of health. So I wanna give some information about NY state of health. It is New York's official health plan marketplace established under the Affordable Care Act, functioning as a gateway to quality healthcare. The initiative strives to ensure that every resident has access to affordable, comprehensive health coverage that meets their unique needs. So let's talk about the system's um, opportunities and key features. Firstly, NY State of Health facilitates open enrollment periods, providing New Yorkers with dedicated time frames to explore, compare, and enroll in health insurance plans. This commitment to accessibility ensures that individuals and families can make informed decisions about their health coverage. And the other thing is that recognizing the diverse healthcare needs of its residents, and New York State of Health offers a range of health insurance plans from various providers. Whether individuals seek basic coverage or require more comprehensive options, the marketplace strives to accommodate the unique health profiles of New Yorkers. And the third feature of the system is that it is committed to making healthcare affordable through various financial assistance programs such as premium tax credit and cost sharing reduction, and initiative aims to elevate the financial burden associated with health coverage, making it accessible to a broader demographic. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe. See you.